Hello guys, welcome to TechRealm. In this video, I'll show you how to create a faceless YouTube channel step by step. Right now, faceless YouTube videos are one of the smartest and most profitable online models. People are earning real money every month without showing their face, without expensive software, and without any editing skills. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it using free AI tools and Canva. Let's begin. The first step is creating the script. To do this, open ChatGPT and type in a simple prompt. I'll include this prompt in the video description so you can use it easily. All you need to do is change the topic to match your niche, and if you want a longer or shorter video, just adjust the duration, like 1, 2, or 3 minutes. Once you click generate, ChatGPT will instantly create a complete script for you, broken into clear sections. It even suggests visual ideas, which makes the editing process much easier later. When the script is ready, simply copy the voiceover text and paste it into a document. Next, we move on to the voiceover. Copy the script and open 11 Labs, one of the most powerful AI voiceover tools available today. It's widely used by large YouTube channels for realistic and natural sounding voices. 11 Labs is a paid tool, but it offers a free trial, so you can test it without any risk. I'll leave the link in the video description. Once you're on the platform, paste your script into the text box. Then go to the voices section, preview different voice options, and select the one that best fits the style and tone of your video.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen. What if you could travel through thousands?
After choosing your voice, click Generate Speech and download the audio file. Now that we have both the script and the voiceover, it's time to move into editing. And for this, we'll use Canva. Create a new YouTube video project and give it a name. Then upload your voiceover file and drag it onto the timeline. Adjust the page duration so it matches the length of your audio. Next, we start adding the visuals. Play the voiceover and follow it line by line, adding visuals that match what's being said.
What if you could travel through thousands of years?
For example, if the script mentions traveling through thousands of years, I simply split the timeline at that point and select a new scene. Then I go to Elements, search for Travel, switch to the Videos tab, and choose a clip that fits the theme. Trim the video so it matches the voiceover perfectly, and then continue with the next section of the script.
What if you could travel through thousands of years in just one continent? In just one continent, castles, empires, revolutions, and breathtaking cities.
To make the video flow more smoothly, add transitions between your scenes. A great option is the match and move transition. It keeps everything looking natural and professional. Okay, so I've added all the visuals with sound effects, and this is currently looks like.
What if you could travel through thousands of years in just one continent? Castles, empires, revolutions, and breathtaking cities. This is Europe, like you've never seen it before. Europe is a continent located in the Northern Hemisphere. Its story begins more than 40,000 years ago, with early humans settling its lands. From ancient Greece to the Roman Empire, Europe became the birthplace of civilization, art, and law. In Greece, democracy was born. In Rome, roads, cities, and powerful armies shaped the world. These ancient ideas still influence our lives today, from politics to architecture. Time passed, and Europe entered the Middle Ages. Massive castles rose across the land. Kings ruled, knights fought, and great cathedrals were built. many still standing after hundreds of years. Today, Europe is a mix of old and new. Historic streets meet modern cities. Each country has its own language, culture, and traditions. Yet all
I hope this tutorial helped you. Now it's your turn. Start creating your own faceless videos and experiment with the tools we covered today. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe for more simple and powerful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.